Hi, and welcome to another episode of 201 Today. I'm Tim Truesdale, Superintendent of Schools.
My name is Gavin Salas. I'm a senior here at East and a student board representative.
Today we will have highlights from homecoming as well as the boys soccer regional championship victory. But first, we'd like to give you some information on the renovations here at Morton East.
The renovations here at Morton East are for the improvement for student learning.
You're looking at several images of different areas of the school during the construction process. This summer, the main focus of the renovation included approximately 30 classrooms that received new univents for heating as well as air conditioning that will be functional this spring. We will continue to renovate 30 classrooms each summer until all classrooms have new univents for heat, air conditioning, and new finishes. In addition, each of those classrooms received new flooring, new wall finishes, new ceilings, and lighting.
Having consistent heat as well as the addition to air conditioning helps students become more focused and engaged in the classrooms.
Over the past several years, Morton East has focused on renovations to its science labs to upgrade the conditions for student learning to a 21st century environment. What you're looking at is this summer's latest science lab renovation here on the 4th floor. Other components in the renovations that are happening at Morton East include corridor renovations that include new lighting and ceilings in the hallways, new paint, lockers refinished, as well as some changes to facilities for the location of services. One example is the Child Care Center that's now located along the Austin Boulevard side of the building on the 1st floor with its own exterior entrance to aid in the convenience and security of the building. Another relocation included the healthcare clinic, which is now on the 25th Street side of the building with, again, its own exterior entrance to aid in security and convenience. One more aspect of the renovation that's still ongoing and will be completed in the spring is new visitor and student services spaces on the 1st through 4th floor of the Austin side of the building with a new main entrance located on the Austin side. These spaces will include the operations office, which includes attendance, it includes transcripts, paying student fees, it includes the guidance counselors and deans, as well as the principal and assistant principal's offices and the parent liaison. These spaces are designed to be more convenient for visitors as well as to aid the security of the school to make sure that visitors only have access to student space when invited.
In addition to these new changes, the student services will be more inviting and encourage students to take advantage of all the resources for them. Now let's take a look at some highlights from homecoming.
What do you like about this event?
I like that we get to interact with people and have better communication and work as a team.
What do you like about this event?
It's fun.
What do you like about this event?
I like how everyone is so cheerful and how fun it is to play and be here.
What do you like about this event?
I like how my team and I stay together as a team and we never lost faith on our team.
What do you like about this event?
I like that friends and family could come see you.
What do you like about this event?
I like that it's a good way to interact with a lot of people you might not interact with on a daily basis, like the upperclassmen.
What do you like about this event?
It's fun, even though it's cold, it's fun.
What do you like about this event?
I think it's really fun.
Why did you decide to participate in this event?
I decided to participate partially because it's my senior year, but also because you make new friends.
Why did you decide to participate in this event?
I wanted to do something different since I've never tried football before. This is my first time actually, and it's pretty fun.
Why did you decide to participate in this event?
I really like the sport.
Why did you decide to participate in this event?
I decided that since it's my last year of high school, I need to be part of all the homecoming events and senior events that are upcoming.
Why did you decide to participate in this event?
I'm really into sports and my friends encouraged me, so I thought, why not?
Why did you decide to participate in this event?
Because I like the sport and I just want to have fun with friends.
What do you like the most about homecoming?
How exciting it could be.
What do you like the most about homecoming?
What I like about most about homecoming is participating in the different days. Like today, like Princess Day, and wearing your class color.
What do you like the most about homecoming?
School spirit, and this is like the best atmosphere right now.
Homecoming is the most high school event ever, and it's one of those experiences that you only get once in your lifetime.
I like to be with my friends, and I like to participate in everything we have to do the whole week.
What do you like the most about homecoming?
I don't know, just like that you get to be with your friends.
What do you like the most about homecoming?
I like how everybody dresses up and looks nice and everybody just looks beautiful.
What do you like the most about homecoming?
I like it that you could have fun with your friends.
Why do you think it is important for students to participate in events like this?
Because they make them feel good about themselves.
Why do you think it is important for students to participate in events like this?
Because it's fun and you get to experience things with your friends and have fun.
Why do you think it is important for students to participate in events like this?
It's really fun and you get to know new people.
Why do you think it is important for students to participate in events like this?
You gotta play with friends and make new friends with your teammates, and it's fun.
Why do you think it is important for students to participate in events like this?
It really helps you show school spirit and it just makes your overall high school experience better.
Why do you think it is important for students to participate in events like this?
It's kind of like once in a lifetime. You only go through high school once, and you only get to participate in these events once, so why not do it?